Okay, this is how to change your picture in Twitter. Once you're logged in, you're going to go ahead and go up here to settings. Come over here to picture. And then simply browse your computer or hard drive and find a picture you like. Select it and then hit OK, and it should bring it right in there. And then you turn around, hit save, and that's it. Okay. I know it's got that picture, but I didn't have anything in there, so that's probably a default error. Anyway, there's my picture, and that's how it's done.